Hey there, this is Kathy Homeyer,
Ernest Homeyer.
and we're here to tell you about our History of Food series. It happens on Thursdays, and we've just been fascinated about how food has created our world. And we're here to tell a story during dinner time so you can taste and learn a little bit. It's a lot of fun.
And on Thursday, we're going to be talking about the medieval times, spirits, feasts, and nightly foods. And what a great time the medieval ages were for different types of foods, everything from what sorcerers used to what the knights ate. To what the peasants were doing, and as well as the medieval manners. It was quite a time when food was both a great unifier and it was a great divider in terms of establishing the different classes of people that were out there. But it was also just a heck of a time for feasts and rituals. Really took off during the medieval ages. So we're having a lot of fun with that. This Thursday at 6:30. You can come a little bit earlier. We're doing a tasting on different tonics of the medieval ages as well. It's a little fun 30-minute program before that. And then during the dinner, you actually also get to explore now the oldest operating grape camp in the Adirondack Park. Kathy's family built it in 1886 as a stagecoach in, and but during the 1920s, it was a library by day and a speakeasy by night. So with the dinner experience, you get the password to get in through the hidden door. And then you get to explore the speakeasy downstairs. I'm sorry, the library downstairs, including the hidden beer and wine cellar. Cooking demos are a part of it. We'd love to do myth busting. There are just some really interesting perceptions about food and where they came from, and in some cases, how they're really built on fables and not reality. And trivia, trivia, trivia. Just love to do trivia as well.
His trivia. But he also has created that beautiful beer cellar. So that is a hidden wine and beer cellar downstairs. You get to experience that and browse, even if you don't drink alcohol. There's non-alcoholic drinks as well. Especially during our food tasting, we like to share some of the tonics as well. Tonics and beverages and things like that. So it's a lot of fun. And on top of that, after dinner, that picture up to the right is our labyrinth. It's actually an Avalon pattern, and that is it lit up at night. Just after dinner or even before, you can go out and walk the labyrinth, and it just fits into our medieval dinner because it's the Avalon pattern and King Arthur, and there's even a sword in the stone in the center. Well, it's a piece of wood, but it's fun anyway. So the labyrinth is really pretty at night. So that's something that adds to the whole thing as well.
So we hope to see you here on Thursday night. It's again starts at 6:30, unless you want to come for some of the earlier festivities, including a history of medieval tonics thing program that we're doing. And again, you can reserve online. It's up on the screen here as we go through, but lakeclearlodge.com. If you go on the homepage, up on the top, it says experiences. And if you click the experiences, you scroll down and it'll be a history of food. Because we are doing this every Thursday throughout the summer, including a new program that we're going to take into the fall with some really interesting stories like the myths and legends of German food, as well as Oktoberfest. For example, did you know that beer was not allowed during the early Oktoberfest? Wow, can you imagine that happening today? Some interesting things there as well. So we hope you'll see us. Come join us here this Thursday as we talk about medieval foods, feasts, rituals, magicians, and sorcerers.
And even you can't come to visit us at any point, you can watch a live sunset on our live webcam. It's lakeclearlodge.com/webcam. You'll see beautiful Lake Clear. So we hope you can visit us in the Adirondack Alps.